The Federal Protective Service, along with all of our interagency partners, have been coordinating with S&T since the very beginning. S&T has been really the technology arm of the World Cup for DHS. Their planning, their execution, their testing of equipment prior to purchase has been vital, really, to our success. It started with site surveys, technology selection, placement, installation, and fielding the latest and greatest technology in the counter-UAS space. DHS as a whole has employed a systems-to-systems approach, bringing the latest and greatest technologies that are available on the market to protect the airspace here. We look at all threats ranging from individuals that are unaware of the temporary flight restrictions to criminal, terrorist threats to the public, visitors, fans, and emergency response personnel. The Tactical Communications Counter-UAS Mobile Command Vehicle was a new purchase within the department specifically designed and geared towards counter-UAS operations to rapidly deploy a range of sensors and be quickly and able to deploy them to a range of different scenarios moving forward after FIFA. Broadly, DHS and the Department of Justice, Federal Bureau of Investigation have been actively assessing threats across all World Cup sites. We've detected hundreds of unauthorized UAS operators and seized equally as many unauthorized drones, but they're all pending FBI investigation after World Cup.